CIT, comedian Larry Wilmore tells alt-right troll Milo Yiannopoulos to go FK himself. Comedian Larry Wilmore became visibly angry, but remained composed, after alt-right figurehead Milo Yiannopoulos went on a 5-minute rant against transgender people during Bill Maher's overtime on Friday night. But when Yiannopoulos called a decorated counter-terrorism official on the late-night show's panel stupid, Wilmore couldn't hold himself back any longer. Hold on, you can go FK yourself," the seasoned funnyman said to roars from the audience. "If your argument is that these people are stupid, you didn't hear a word this man said earlier in this segment because he can talk circles around your pathetic, douchey little ass. And one last thing, Leslie Jones is not barely literate. Go FK yourself again for that one," Wilmore added bluntly, again to raucous cheers. Yiannopoulos, a controversial columnist for the far-right-wing website Breitbart News, was permanently suspended from Twitter after spearheading a racist harassment campaign against actress Leslie Jones. On Friday, the British Breitbart writer defended his racially charged Twitter campaign, repeatedly yapping at Wilmore, "Go read her Twitter feed, she can barely spell." Wilmore's outburst comes a few weeks after Yiannopoulos had to cancel a speaking event at the University of California, Berkeley because his presence sparked violent protests. The protests caught the attention of President Trump, who defended Yiannopoulos as a proponent of free speech. The president also threatened to cut federal funds to the university unless it stopped practicing violence on innocent people, even though a majority of the demonstrators remained peaceful. Yiannopoulos, who's a staunch Trump supporter, has been accused of peddling in racism, xenophobia and Islamophobia. His internet following began to grow via Breitbart while current White House strategist Stephen Bannon was still the executive chairman of the right-wing site.